everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some candied pecans. Candied pecans are great as a snack by themselves. They're also wonderful in salads. You can put them on top of any salad that you like. Later on I'm going to be posting a video with arugula, roasted beets, goat cheese, and candied pecans, so it's really good in that as well. If you look on the internet, there's lots of different recipes. If you watch my videos, I always try to go with the simplest way possible. So I'm going to show you a very, very simple way to do candied pecans. Very, very quick, easy, and tastes great. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So let's jump right in. My candied pecans have 3 ingredients. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 pound of pecans. Very, very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to put the sugar and water in a saucepan. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. And we're going to boil it for about 10 minutes, or simmer it for 10 minutes, I should say, not boil. So right now, our water and sugar mix has been simmering for about 10 minutes. It's reduced down substantially. I'm going to turn this off now. I have 1 pound of pecans over here. By the way, so I'm using pecans. However, you can use whatever type of nuts you like. You can very good with walnuts or anything else. Add your mix. Mix it up very, very well. Some people add some cayenne if you like it spicy. Some people add cinnamon to give it some other flavor. And by all means, you can add like a teaspoon of cinnamon or cayenne if you want to. To me, these are delicious just as is. You'll notice that this has been sprayed very, very, very well. You can either use a Silpat or a silicone mat on the bottom, or you have to spray this very well because the sugar will stick. Just going to pour it out onto the sheet pan. Spread it out. And we're going to put it in a 375 oven and bake it. I'm going to guess 20 minutes, but very often my guesses are wrong. Especially I'm used to using a professional oven, and I'm not used to using a household oven. So we'll check it periodically, and I'll let you know when it's done. See you soon. Hi everyone. So our pecans have been cooking for about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna take them out, take a look at them. They're actually very, very, very close to done. You notice that most of the liquid, it's kind of syrupy at this point. If you look over here, it's very, very syrupy. But I'm going to give it just a quick mix and put them back in for about another 5 to 10 minutes. I really want all the syrup on the pecans, not in the pan. See you in 10 minutes. Hey everyone. So at this point our pecans have been cooking for a total of 25 minutes and they look about done to me. You notice how it looks very dry, you don't see any liquid. That means they are done. What I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to kind of scrape it a little bit so it doesn't stick. Very, very important. Going to get it all scraped up and then just let it sit on the pan for a couple of hours to cool, about 2 hours, and I will show you what it looks like when it's cool. All right, see you shortly. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. So our pecans have been sitting for probably a good solid hour. They're nice and cool. I did, as soon as they came out of the oven, I did just loosen them off the pan so they don't stick to the pan. The next thing I'm going to do, you notice that some of them are in clusters a little bit. I'm going to just kind of break it up a little bit. Just get any big clusters, broken up. And then I'm going to be just put them in an airtight container to store. I will be using it later on in the salad, as I mentioned. These are really delicious, and you know how I know they're delicious? Because when I shoot these videos, I shoot them with 3 other people. I have a cameraman and 2 other people just assisting me in the kitchen, and they can't stop eating them, so I know they're really good. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like it, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And have a great day. Be safe.